Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: Chrome updated and signed in. Now start by opening the Chrome Web Store and searching the exact extension name. This narrows results and avoids lookalikes. Once you find the extension, inspect ratings, recent reviews, and requested permissions to judge safety. When satisfied, click Add to Chrome and accept the permissions prompt. This installs the extension into your browser so you can immediately access its features from the toolbar. Once installed, pin the extension to your toolbar so it's visible and easy to use. Click the puzzle icon, then pin the item. Next, open its options or settings page to configure preferences like default behaviors, shortcuts, and permission scopes, because customization improves efficiency. If the extension offers an account, sign in to enable syncing across devices and cloud backups. Make sure to review site-specific permissions and toggle only what's necessary for the feature to work. You're almost done. Test the extension on a simple page to confirm core features and permissions are working as expected. If you need to manage it, go to the Extensions menu or type Chrome//extensions to update, disable, or remove the extension. If something fails, try one key troubleshooting step. Disable other extensions that might conflict, then reinstall this extension. Also make sure Chrome itself is updated and restart the browser. That often resolves permission or loading issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.